Do you think maths is difficult? What if I tell you that in next 5 minutes this chapter will become the easiest one for you? Hi, I'm Avneet from Planet Spark. First of all, please do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out any of the concept related questions that we are going to follow up. So in today's topic, we are going to learn about how to calculate profit and loss, profit person, loss person, and also to apply profit and loss concepts in our real life situations. Before we begin with what is profit person, what is loss person, let's discuss what is profit. Profit is selling price of an article minus cost price of an article. If selling price of the article is greater than cost price of the article, then we always have profit. Once we have calculated the profit, the next concept is profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit divided by CP into 100. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Loss is there when cost price is greater than selling price. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Another very important formula that you have to remember is that SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100, or selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. If it is profit percent, we'll add. If it is loss percent, we'll subtract. Let's begin with the questions. Selling price of a toy car is rupees 540. That means SP is 540. Now the shopkeeper has made a profit of 20% on selling the car. Since the shopkeeper has made a profit of 20%, so we are given that in this case profit percent is 20%. And now we are supposed to find out the cost price. So to find out the cost price, what we are going to do is we just use a formula that SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Remember, this formula we are going to use frequently whenever we would be given selling price or cost price, and we have to also along with profit percent or loss percent, and we have to find out the answers. So SP, in place of SP I will write on 540. CP I don't know, so let it be CP. 100 plus profit percent. Profit percent is 20%, so I'll replace it by 20 divided by 100. So this simplifies to 540 is equal to CP into 100 plus 20 is 120 divided by 100. Now 100 is divided on RHS. If I take it to LHS, it would be multiplied. 120 is multiplied on RHS. If I take it to LHS, it would be divided. Further simplifying and doing cancellations, we will get 5 over 6 into 540. Further, when we are going to divide, 6 divided by 540 will give us 90. So the cost price is equal to 90 into 5. That means the cost price of the article is rupees 450. Cost price of the toy car was 450. This was in the question. Coming to the next question. An article was sold for 530 rupees to 32 rupees at a loss of 5%. Sold at means I am given the selling price. Loss percent is given to me as 5%. And I'm supposed to find out cost price over here. Again, using the same formula, we have to find out cost price over here. The formula is selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. Remember, if it is profit percent, we'll add in the formula. If it is loss percent, we are going to subtract. So in place of selling price, we will write on 532 rupees. CP we don't know, so we are going to write it down as CP only. We have to find out CP. 100 minus loss percent. Now loss is 5%, so 100 minus 5 divided by 100. Again, on simplifying, I'll get 532 is equal to CP into 100 minus 5 is 95 divided by 100. Now 95 and 100 can further be simplified. When I further simplify 95 and 100, I will get that CP is equal to 95 and 100. I can cancel them using table of 5. I'll get 19 over 20. Now 20 is divided on this side of equation. If I take it to LHS, it would be multiplied. Similarly, 19 is multiplied. It would be divided on other side of equation. And on simplifying, we'll get that cost price is equal to rupees 560. So the cost price of the article is 560. Coming to the next question, in the next question, we are given that Arif bought a second-hand scooter for rupees 80,000 and spent 12.5% on of the cost on the car and its repairs. At what price should he sell the car to make a profit of 15%? So the cost price of the car was 80,000. He has spent 12.5% on it. Now the money is, just remember this, it's an important concept. Just remember that money spent on repair is always added to the cost price. It is the cost that we have incurred, so it is always added in cost price. Percentage of money spent on repair was 12.5%. And now we'll calculate the money spent on repair. So money spent on repair will become 12.5% of 80,000. Now 12.5% of 80,000 gives us 12.5 into 80,000, and 12.5 into 80,000, when I simplify, if I remove the decimal, it will become 125 upon 1000 into 80,000. Further, I can cancel the zeros, and on multiplying and simplifying, I'll get 125 into 80. Now 125 into 80 gives us rupees 10,000. So money spent on repairs is rupees 10,000. Now this money spent on repairs is to be added in the cost price. So the total cost price of car is rupees 80,000 plus rupees 10,000, that is rupees 90,000. Total CP is rupees 90,000. At what price the car should be sold to make a profit of 15%? So if I have to earn a profit of 15%, what should be my selling price is what I have to calculate. Profit is 15%. We'll use the formula that selling price is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent divided by 100. Again, putting the values in the formula, selling price I have to find out. In place of cost price, I will write down 90,000 now. 90,000 into 100 plus 15 divided by 100. Again, further, when I'll simplify, I'll get selling price is equal to 90,000 and 100. I can cancel the zeros. I would be left with 900 into 115. And 900 into 115 will give us 1,03,500 rupees. So the selling price of the second-hand car should be 1,03,500 rupees. So in today's video, we have learned about cost price, selling price, how to calculate profit percent and loss percent, and also find out cost price and selling price. Thanks for watching. To keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. To book your free demo, check the link in the bio or simply type pspark.in in your browser today. Thanks for watching.